Good morning. You're watching this video because you want to book an item from the Delta Media Library. And to do that, you need to start at destiny.deltasd.bc.ca, which is your sort of gateway into our library system. And then what you want to do is find your school on the list here. Sunshine Hills is right at the bottom there. Maybe a secondary school. In my case, my school is actually Delta Manor Education Center. So your school is on here, and if you want, you click on it, and there you're invited to visit your school library. What you need to do at this point is log in if you haven't already. And your login is your employee number, and your password is also your employee number. I'm just going to slide this down just for my own privacy. I'm going to log in using my 7-digit employee number. Alright. So I am logged in to the Delta Manor Education Center. Now, Charlene has very kindly left us some instructions here, which says click on the Catalog tab to search the resources. Now that's if you want to search the Delta Media Library. And so if you click on Catalog here, you're going to find that you have a search menu. So clicking on Catalog up in the left here. And I've recently done a search for kits, so it's remembered that. But the material type I'm looking for is a kit. Could be looking for lots of different things, but I'm looking for science kits today. And I want to make sure that my checkbox here is on the Delta Media Library. If you're a teacher at Brook Elementary, this bar here, which says Delta Manor Education Center Library, that's my library, it'll say Brook Elementary Library. So, I mean, you could go ahead and search there if you want to look for something in your school's library, but right now you're looking for a science kit that you want to book. So you want to make sure that you've selected the Delta Media Library and kit. Now, let's say I'm teaching grade 5s and I'm looking something on forces or simple machines. So I'm going to type in, let's just type in simple machines. Let's see what they have. Boom. Alright, simple machines. And there we are. Hey, there's 3 kits there. 2 are identified specifically as grade 5. And the other one doesn't have a grade specification. And if I look at the availability, 5 of the 6 simple machines kits are available. 4 of the 6 forces in motion, and 2 of the pulley ones. So let's just kind of take a look and see what's inside the simple machines kit here. So I click on details, and I find out that it has a teacher's guide, electrical tape, rubber bands, masking tape, box clips, wax paper, batteries, washers, some ramps, some dowels, some compasses, a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, if I want to book this kit, what I do is I go over to the upper right hand corner here, and I click on book it. And what it asks me to do now is, when do I want it? From when to when? Pick my dates. I can use the menu off to the right hand side here, the calendar, or I can just manually enter it. The maximum I can have it is 6 weeks. And where do I want it to go? Either I can go and pick it up myself, or I can have it shipped out to my school in the Friday sort of inter-school shipping that goes out. And then I hit save, and we're good to go. So hopefully that's been helpful for you in terms of how to book materials for use from the Delta Digital Media Library.